Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you one simple Excel trick that you can also use while working with Excel. So here I have a sample data of few locations and their revenues quarter wise, right? So this is quarter one revenue and these are quarter two revenues for all these four locations. Now the problem is I want to calculate the sum of revenue for all this for each and every location, right? So whatever the locations we are having here, I want to calculate the sum for each of these locations. So the general way of doing this, we type the sum formula, right? We select each and every cell reference here and we use the additional symbol and we calculate the sum formula like this, right? In the same way, we copy this formula and we paste it here, right? So this is how we generally do it, right? So without this hassle, I will show you one simple Excel trick which makes your job pretty easy. So the trick is like first you need to select the entire data range and then press Control and then select the quarter 2 data range and then press Control and select quarter 3 data range and once again press Control and select quarter 4 data range. Now we want to now what do we want? We want to calculate the total sum, right? So here is the trick. After selecting the entire data tables, press Alt equal to and that's it. And now you can see we got all the sum values here, right? For each of this location we got the sum of some values here, right? You can see for all the tables we got the sum values, right? So for July month we got the sum value, August we got the sum value, and also for each and every location we got our sum values, right? So this is how you can use this trick. It is very useful whenever you are working with some sales data. So I hope you liked the video. So I hope this information is useful to you. If you like it, then please consider subscribing to my channel so that I can make much more interesting videos on it. Thank you.